Good morning friends, I am Ashish Agarwal from NGO Enabler, and the topic I am going to discuss today is very interesting and you will surely find it very relevant in the current scenario. You are already aware how MHA department has tightened the regulations for FCRA registered organizations. More than 20,000 registrations have been cancelled in the last few years, reducing the number of registered organizations to almost half from their earlier strength. So many amendments, notifications, circulars have been issued, making the life of these organizations really tough. With such stringent laws and facing practical difficulties in the disbursement of funds, many foreign donors have started to completely shift their focus from India to other underdeveloped countries. So are you not worried of drying FCRA funds? Are you not thinking how the organization will sustain in the long run and continue its projects? Does not the road ahead look full of bumpers and obstacles, and the path to future looks bleak? What's next? Have you ever given a thought to it? How are you planning to raise funds? Do you have a unique idea or projects that will help retain your donors? Or like any other NGOs, you too shall look for crowdfunding, running campaigns, tying up with corporates for CSR funds and other such options? If this is the case, have you ever thought why someone, whether individual or corporate or any donor for that sake, shall choose you and your organization over millions like you? You are running charity programs, so are they. You are registered under Section 12A and 80G, so are most of them. You might be into the sector for 40-50 years, so are most of them. What's unique? What's different? What's appealing is there in your organization that will make you stand out of the crowd? I repeat, what's unique? What's different? What's appealing is there in your organization that will make you stand out of the crowd? Few such answers to your anxiousness that might have completely taken over you by now after all my above deliberations and thoughts are your credibility, your transparency, your systems and policies, your defined SOPs for each activity, your compliance status under various statutory laws, and your independent rating as a charitable organization. I repeat, few such answers to your anxiousness that might have completely taken over you by now after all the above deliberations and thoughts are your credibility, your transparency, your systems and policies, your defined SOPs for each activity, your compliance status under various statutory laws, and your independent rating as a charitable organization. These key drivers shall now play a vital role in driving your organization to the path of sustenance and growth. Wondering how to achieve it? Get the financial, legal and administrative due diligence done for your organization by an independent third-party agency. I repeat, get the financial, legal as well as administrative due diligence done for your organization by an independent third-party agency, which will ensure all systems and policies are in order and being followed religiously by the organization. Any loopholes or lacunae picked up during the review process have been revisited and successfully addressed by the management. The standard operating procedures are in place for each activity being carried out. Any deviation from the laid down procedures have been approved, documented and reviewed in a timely manner. The operations of the organization are transparent enough for the donor to assess, monitor and evaluate the utilization of their funds. All legal and statutory compliances have been duly complied with, and no red flags can be raised regarding the compliance status under the provisions of any law prevailing in the country of establishment. An independent rating, I repeat, an independent rating in respect to the reliance, trust and integrity of the organization can be derived from such due diligence report, based on which key decisions can be taken by the donor. To know more, get in touch with Team NGO Enabler if you find it valuable for your organization to conduct one and be in the priority list of the donors. That's all for today. Wishing you all happy times ahead. Keep subscribed to our YouTube channel for latest updates and tutorials. Thank you.